Hi, I'm Miss Teresa and welcome back to Make It Mondays at the Box Springs Library. Today we are going to do a spooktacular craft. So if you're ready, let's get started.
For this craft you're going to need a vase from the Dollar Tree, some foam sheet, a light of some sort, a mop head, and then I have a little witch's hat. I was inspired by this from Pinterest. I really don't know who posted it, so just FYI. So first thing we're going to do is start off with our vase. You can use E6000, you can use hot glue. We're actually going to use both. And the reason why we use both is because the E6000 gives you the better bond because it is glass. Hot glue tends to not stick very well to glass, but the hot glue will give you that instant bond while the E6000 dries, because E6000 will take up to like 24 48 hours for it to completely dry. Alright, so this is our mop head, and all I'm doing is turning it upside down and pulling the strings or ropes away from it so that way I can get to the base. Okay, so now my E6000 is white. They do have clear, they have black, they have all colors. The one I'm using today just happens to be white. And since you're not going to see it anyway, it really doesn't matter. Alright, so we're just going to put this right on top of that. And you're going to press as hard as you can. And then you're just going to move your mop head around so it completely fills in your vase. So it should look like that. Okay, now we're going to get our hat and we're going to glue on top of here. Okay, now mine has a little fringe and a bow. You can put that on front, you can put it on back, however you want to do it. I'm going to put mine on the back. Okay, so we're just going to put some hot glue all around here because hot glue will stick to this. Now this was part of a headband, a Halloween headband that we got from Dollar Tree, and I just took it off the headband. Okay. So it looks like that. Well, again, I'm putting mine in the back. This is going to be my front. If you wanted this your front, by all means, you do use it. Okay? So now I'm going to cut out some eyes. And you don't need that big of a piece. I'm going to cut just a strip off. And I would say it's probably about the length of maybe That's about the width of my pinky finger, so just let you know. Bend that in half. Cut that off. Cut that in half. So now I have 2 squares, okay? And then I'm just going to cut out some black eyes. Okay, so there's my ghost eyes. Now I'm just going to put some hot glue on this and then glue it to the front of my ghost. Sorry, ran out of hot glue. So we're just going to take it and stick it right there. There's one. There's 2. Lastly, you're going to take your light. Again, we got this at the Dollar Tree. Okay guys, make sure your light has batteries. Mine did not. I had to go get batteries. Alright, so it just turns on. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. What you're going to do is lift it up, put it underneath here. Just like that. I'm going to show you what it looks like in the dark. This room is not very dark, but you can see my little ghost. See if I can lift him up a little bit more. So that is my ghost.
Thank you for joining us for this edition of Make It Monday at the Box Springs Library. I hope you had fun making our little ghost and it really put you in the spirit of Halloween. Until next time, bye.